Saying yes to everyone means saying no to yourself. 8 affirmations for healthy boundaries. Let's start. I am enough. I am enough. I can say no. I can say no. I set healthy boundaries. I set healthy boundaries. People respect my limits. People respect my limits. Every day I take care of myself. Every day I take care of myself. Today I honor my needs. Today I honor my needs. I am authentic. I am authentic. I choose who I spend time with. I choose who I spend time with. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.